Guys, back again. Another $50 session. Two more 20 times, $20, 100 times the cash. Still looking for that 100 times symbol. And trying this new 10 million cash explosion. I've never tried it. Figured we'd give it a shot. We'll start with it. Still playing on winnings, go. So, still in the good. Let's see. So we'll see what we're looking for. Bonus, we're looking for a boom symbol for 25 automatically. Oh, you can see. I'm looking for the money bag symbol to win a prize automatically. Dynamite symbol to win double prize shown, or to win all symbol. So got ticket number 4. Let's get some symbols here. Got the chest symbol. Number we're looking for 5, 12, 20, 27, and 3. 19, 24, 7, 14, and 18, 17, 25, 10, 22, 8, 1, 6, 11, 2, and 30. So, no good on this one, guys. Let's try the 100 times. Guys, had the camera malfunction. Back to the 100 times ticket, 2 of them, ticket number 13 and 14. So let's start with lucky 13. 100 times symbol. Let's see it. Star for the bonus. Symbol hunting first. So still yet to do more than break even on this 100 times. Oh, there's a 10 times. We'll take that. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we got any other numbers here. 18. 38. I'm not sure what all the payouts are on this here, so could be anything, I guess. For 9. 39. 1, 27, 47, and 43. All right, let's see what that 10 times is on this one. $20, so break even on it. Not very excited about that. I mean, break even's break even, but it's hoping for more than that. So it's all right. We'll take it. Ticket number 14. So that had a pretty good run over the weekend. Won't complain at all. So we can go back to back. Looking for 48, 42, 1, 28, 23, 40, 2, and 32. 16, 39, 12, 47, 30, 35, 9, 29. Guys, while you watch these videos, recommend them to your friends. Like, share, subscribe. Would like to get more traffic coming, get a little bit more exposure with other people so I can keep this going. Like producing a little content for you guys. I enjoy it. I enjoy replying to your comments. I will reply to everybody's comments. So 22, 18, and 5. So no back-to-back. We did get a break even. Did find that one symbol at 10 times. So 50 spent, 20 back. So not too bad, guys. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, recommend me. Like to talk to you guys and keep producing some of this content for you. All right, till the next scratcher. You guys be good.